Welcome to Teja Statistics. Today we are going to learn about the transportation problems. So we can see the transportation problems in operation research. Yeah. In transportation problem we are going to find out the total minimization cost. So here they given the transportation table matrix. So origins and destinations with some cost. Okay. So first of all, we need to find out the initial basic feasible solutions. So which we can say the summation of AI equals to summation of Bj. So availabilities values are should be equals to the requirements. So that is the step number one. So there are three methods for calculating. There are three methods for calculating these transportation problems. First of all, the northwest corner method. Second one, the least cost matrix method. Third one, that is VAM method. VAM method is also expressed as defined as Vogel's approximation method. So you can see the methods to find the initial basic feasible solutions for the transportation problem. There are several methods in practice to find the initial basic feasible solution of a transportation problem. Some of the methods are listed below. First one, the northwest corner method. Second one, the matrix minima method, and third one, Vogel's approximation. This row minima and column minima we can avoid it. Yes, let's see the procedure of this. Okay, directly we can go through with one example. Okay, so obtain the initial basic feasible solution by using the northwest corner method. So these are the given matrices of the origins and the destinations. As you can see, origin 1, origin 2, origin 3, origin 4 and destination 1, 2, 3 are given. So these are the cost matrices for checking the availability and requirements also. So just after looking at the table, so select the step number 1, select the uh, northwest corner of the cell of the given matrices, that is origin 1 and destination 1, that is the location. So here the least value is comparing with the availability and the requirement. Here the least value is availability is 5 and the requirement is 7. So hence we can see that is uh, 5 is allocated to the first northwest corner cell, that is origin 1 and destination 1, that is 5, and the remaining is subtracted from 7. So that is 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. So where you calculated the uh, where we assigned the row, you can eliminate or delete that row. Okay, so that is the row should be satisfied according to the given procedure. Next, select the next northwest corner cell, that is origin 2 destination 1. So origin 2 destination 1, after this, so you can allocate the table value uh, which is least here 2. So that is you can easily identify the table. So this is going to be allocated in the next cell. So next the column D1 is going to be eliminated. Next Here the table will be this. Next that 2 is subtracted from here, so it is a value of 6. So you can alert, and all rows and columns are should be satisfied. So this is the procedure of the calculation of northwest corner cell method. Okay, so similarly you can choose the uh, least cost method also. So what is least cost or method? In the sense, this is also be the very simple and easiest calculation. So for here, obtain an initial basic feasible solution to the following transportation problem by using column minima, row minima, column minima. So here is the procedure for the matrix minima method or least cost entry method, it is also be called as. So so many people are going to be called, this is least cost cell method. So it is very simple to compare and easy to calculate with all other methods. So origin 1, origin 2, origin 3 here they given. Origin destination 1, destination 2, destination 3, destination 4, and availabilities and requirements they given. So first of all you need to check the least cell in the given matrix table. So where is the least matrix value? So here origin 2, destination 1 is having the least cost cell, and you can give allocation according to that. Okay, finally you will get the table also. Okay, so I am going to explain with one example for easy to understand of each calculation. Just now I am explaining the just procedure how we are going to do that. Next another important method, that is Vogel's approximation method. Every time they are asking you in our examination operation research. So Vogel's approximation method is simply called it as VAM method. Check availabilities and requirements, summation A equals to summation Bj. If it is not, introduce a dummy origin, or if it is not, then introduce a dummy origin or a dummy destination with the transportation cost as 0. So unbalanced transportation problem. So we are also going to looking at that problem also. Next, step number 2, identify smallest and next smallest of costs in each row and in each column of the transportation table. Yes, next determine the difference between the smallest and next smallest costs. Next, for each row and each column called penalties, or calculate the penalties by making the difference between them. Next, step number 3, identify the largest penalty among all the rows and columns. If the tie occurs, choose any one. Choose minimum cost in the respective row or column has a largest penalty. Okay, largest penalty and the least cost cell. Okay, allocate as much as possible quantity if the availability or is exhausted, then cancel the respective row, or if any requirement is satisfied, then cancel the respective column also. If tie occurs, then cancel either a row or a column but not the both. Next, reconsider the transportation table with the remaining availabilities and requirements. Again, calculate penalties for each row and each column, and repeat this until all remaining requirements are satisfied. So here the procedure we already calculated. Okay, so in next calculation we are going to see the examples. Thank you.
உள்ள வந்த பாரடி அண்ணன் யாரு